Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dengan berbagai situasi. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris Anda akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Baiklah, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
Do you practice English speaking every day? Do you practice English speaking every day?
Apakah kamu berlatih berbicara bahasa Inggris setiap hari?
Yes, I practice for 1 hour daily. Yes, I practice for 1 hour daily.
Ya, aku berlatih selama 1 jam setiap hari.
That's great. Your progress is noticeable. That's great. Your progress is noticeable.
Itu hebat, kemajuanmu terlihat jelas.
Thanks. Practicing daily really helps a lot. Thanks. Practicing daily really helps a lot.
Terima kasih. Berlatih setiap hari sangat membantu.
How do you stay consistent with practicing? How do you stay consistent with practicing?
Bagaimana kamu tetap konsisten dalam berlatih?
I join online groups to stay active. I join online groups to stay active.
Aku bergabung dengan grup online agar tetap aktif.
Maybe I should join a group too. Maybe I should join a group too.
Mungkin aku juga harus bergabung dengan grup.
Definitely, it makes learning much more fun. Definitely, it makes learning much more fun.
Pasti, itu membuat belajar jauh lebih menyenangkan.
All right, I'll start practicing with others. All right, I'll start practicing with others.
Baiklah, aku akan mulai berlatih dengan orang lain.
That's awesome. Let's practice together soon. That's awesome. Let's practice together soon.
Itu luar biasa, mari kita berlatih bersama segera.
Have you submitted your job application? Have you submitted your job application?
Apakah kamu sudah mengirimkan aplikasi pekerjaanmu?
Yes, I submitted it last week. Yes, I submitted it last week.
Ya, saya sudah mengirimkannya minggu lalu.
That's great. How long does it take? That's great. How long does it take?
Itu bagus. Berapa lama prosesnya?
It usually takes about 2 weeks to hear back. It usually takes about 2 weeks to hear back.
Biasanya memakan waktu sekitar 2 minggu untuk mendapatkan kabar.
Do you think your application will be accepted? Do you think your application will be accepted?
Apakah kamu pikir aplikasi kamu akan diterima?
I hope so. I'm really excited about this job. I hope so. I'm really excited about this job.
Saya harap begitu. Saya sangat bersemangat tentang pekerjaan ini.
What made you apply for this position? What made you apply for this position?
Apa yang membuat kamu melamar posisi ini?
I love the company's mission and values. I love the company's mission and values.
Saya suka misi dan nilai-nilai perusahaan ini.
I'm sure you'll do well. Good luck. I'm sure you'll do well. Good luck.
Saya yakin kamu akan berhasil. Semoga beruntung.
Thank you. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. I really appreciate your support.
Terima kasih. Saya sangat menghargai dukunganmu.
Do you always warm up before exercise? Do you always warm up before exercise?
Apakah kamu selalu pemanasan sebelum berolahraga?
Yes, warming up is very important to prevent injuries. Yes, warming up is very important to prevent injuries.
Ya, pemanasan itu sangat penting untuk mencegah cedera.
That's true. What do you usually do to warm up? That's true. What do you usually do to warm up?
Itu benar. Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan untuk pemanasan?
I start with light jogging and stretching. I start with light jogging and stretching.
Saya mulai dengan jogging ringan dan peregangan.
How long do you usually warm up for? How long do you usually warm up for?
Berapa lama biasanya kamu pemanasan?
About 10 to 15 minutes is enough for me. About 10 to 15 minutes is enough for me.
Sekitar 10-15 menit sudah cukup bagi saya.
Do you feel more energized after warming up? Do you feel more energized after warming up?
Apakah kamu merasa lebih berenergi setelah pemanasan?
Yes, it really helps me feel ready to exercise. Yes, it really helps me feel ready to exercise.
Ya, itu benar-benar membantu saya merasa siap untuk berolahraga.
I should try that before my workouts too. I should try that before my workouts too.
Saya harus mencoba itu sebelum latihan saya juga.
You definitely should. It makes a big difference. You definitely should. It makes a big difference.
Kamu pasti harus. Itu membuat perbedaan besar.
Where is the reception desk? Where is the reception desk?
Di mana meja resepsionisnya?
It's just by the entrance of the building. It's just by the entrance of the building.
Itu ada di dekat pintu masuk gedung.
Thanks. Is there someone at the reception? Thanks. Is there someone at the reception?
Terima kasih. Apakah ada seseorang di meja resepsionis?
Yes, the receptionist is available to help. Yes, the receptionist is available to help.
Ya, resepsionis siap membantu.
What time does the reception open? What time does the reception open?
Jam berapa meja resepsionis dibuka?
The reception opens at 8 a.m. every day. The reception opens at 8 a.m. every day.
Meja resepsionis buka jam 8 pagi setiap hari.
Do I need to check in at the reception? Do I need to check in at the reception?
Apakah saya perlu mendaftar di meja resepsionis?
Yes, please check in when you arrive. Yes, please check in when you arrive.
Ya, silakan mendaftar saat kamu tiba.
I'll go there now to ask for more details. I'll go there now to ask for more details.
Saya akan ke sana sekarang untuk bertanya lebih lanjut.
That sounds good. They will assist you. That sounds good. They will assist you.
Itu terdengar bagus, mereka akan membantu kamu.
What is your main source of income? What is your main source of income?
Apa sumber pendapatan utamamu?
I earn most of my income from freelancing. I earn most of my income from freelancing.
Saya mendapatkan sebagian besar pendapatan saya dari pekerjaan lepas.
That's interesting. How did you start? That's interesting. How did you start?
Itu menarik. Bagaimana kamu memulai?
I started working as a writer and built up my portfolio. I started working as a writer and built up my portfolio.
Saya mulai bekerja sebagai penulis dan membangun portofolio saya.
Do you think your income will increase soon? Do you think your income will increase soon?
Apakah kamu pikir pendapatanmu akan meningkat dalam waktu dekat?
Yes, I expect an increase as I get more clients. Yes, I expect an increase as I get more clients.
Ya, saya berharap pendapatan meningkat seiring saya mendapatkan lebih banyak klien.
How do you manage your income? How do you manage your income?
Bagaimana kamu mengelola pendapatanmu?
I set aside a portion for savings and investments. I set aside a portion for savings and investments.
Saya menyisihkan sebagian untuk tabungan dan investasi.
That sounds like a smart way to manage income. That sounds like a smart way to manage income.
Itu terdengar seperti cara yang pintar untuk mengelola pendapatan.
It helps me stay financially secure in the long run. It helps me stay financially secure in the long run.
Itu membantu saya tetap aman secara finansial dalam jangka panjang.
This new schedule suits my needs perfectly. This new schedule suits my needs perfectly.
Jadwal baru ini sangat sesuai dengan kebutuhanku.
I'm glad to hear that. It works for you. I'm glad to hear that. It works for you.
Senang mendengarnya. Ini cocok untukmu.
Yes, it fits with my personal commitments. Yes, it fits with my personal commitments.
Ya, ini sesuai dengan komitmen pribadiku.
That's great. Having balance is important. That's great. Having balance is important.
Itu bagus. Keseimbangan itu penting.
Absolutely, I don't want to be overwhelmed. Absolutely, I don't want to be overwhelmed.
Tentu aku tidak ingin merasa kewalahan.
It's always better to find something that suits you. It's always better to find something that suits you.
Selalu lebih baik menemukan sesuatu yang sesuai denganmu.
I agree, working smarter, not harder, is key. I agree, working smarter, not harder, is key.
Aku setuju, bekerja dengan cerdas, bukan lebih keras, adalah kunci.
Exactly. It helps improve productivity and well-being. Exactly. It helps improve productivity and well-being.
Tepat, itu membantu meningkatkan produktivitas dan kesejahteraan.
I feel more relaxed now, ready for the week. I feel more relaxed now, ready for the week.
Aku merasa lebih santai sekarang, siap untuk minggu ini.
I'm sure you'll handle everything perfectly. I'm sure you'll handle everything perfectly.
Aku yakin kamu akan menangani semuanya dengan sempurna.
Should we proceed with the meeting now? Should we proceed with the meeting now?
Haruskah kita melanjutkan rapat sekarang?
Yes, let's proceed. Everyone is ready. Yes, let's proceed. Everyone is ready.
Ya, mari kita lanjutkan. Semua orang sudah siap?
Great. What's the first item on the agenda? Great. What's the first item on the agenda?
Bagus. Apa urutan pertama dalam agenda?
The first item is discussing the budget plan. The first item is discussing the budget plan.
Urutan pertama adalah membahas rencana anggaran.
Do we need to finish this before we proceed? Do we need to finish this before we proceed?
Apakah kita perlu menyelesaikan ini sebelum melanjutkan?
Yes, it's important to finalize it first. Yes, it's important to finalize it first.
Ya, ini penting untuk diselesaikan terlebih dahulu.
How long will it take to proceed with this task? How long will it take to proceed with this task?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk melanjutkan tugas ini?
It will take about an hour to proceed. It will take about an hour to proceed.
Itu akan memakan waktu sekitar 1 jam untuk melanjutkan.
Let's proceed as planned to meet the deadline. Let's proceed as planned to meet the deadline.
Mari kita lanjutkan seperti yang direncanakan untuk memenuhi tenggat waktu.
Absolutely, we can't afford any delays. Absolutely, we can't afford any delays.
Pasti kita tidak bisa menunda-nunda lagi.
Can you please forward the email to me? Can you please forward the email to me?
Bisakah kamu meneruskan email itu ke saya?
Sure, I'll forward it to you right away. Sure, I'll forward it to you right away.
Tentu, saya akan meneruskannya ke kamu sekarang.
Thank you. How soon will you forward it? Thank you. How soon will you forward it?
Terima kasih. Seberapa cepat kamu akan meneruskannya?
I'll forward it in the next few minutes. I'll forward it in the next few minutes.
Saya akan meneruskannya dalam beberapa menit ke depan.
Do you know when they will forward the documents? Do you know when they will forward the documents?
Apakah kamu tahu kapan mereka akan meneruskan dokumen-dokumen itu?
They should forward them by the end of the day. They should forward them by the end of the day.
Mereka seharusnya meneruskannya sebelum akhir hari.
Will you forward the report to the team? Will you forward the report to the team?
Apakah kamu akan meneruskan laporan itu ke tim?
Yes, I'll forward the report after reviewing it. Yes, I'll forward the report after reviewing it.
Ya, saya akan meneruskan laporan itu setelah memeriksanya.
Once we get approval, we can move forward. Once we get approval, we can move forward.
Setelah kita mendapatkan persetujuan, kita bisa melanjutkan.
Exactly, then we'll be able to proceed smoothly. Exactly, then we'll be able to proceed smoothly.
Tepat, kemudian kita akan bisa melanjutkan dengan lancar.
Can you go on with your explanation? Can you go on with your explanation?
Bisakah kamu melanjutkan penjelasanmu?
Sure, where did I leave off? Sure, where did I leave off?
Tentu, tadi saya sampai di mana?
You were explaining the main idea. You were explaining the main idea.
Kamu sedang menjelaskan inti utamanya.
Oh, right. Let me go on from there. Oh, right. Let me go on from there.
Oh, benar. Mari saya melanjutkan dari situ.
What happened next after that? What happened next after that?
Apa yang terjadi setelah itu?
After that, we started the next phase. After that, we started the next phase.
Setelah itu kami memulai fase berikutnya.
Can you go on with the project timeline? Can you go on with the project timeline?
Bisakah kamu melanjutkan dengan jadwal proyeknya?
Yes, the timeline is on track for completion. Yes, the timeline is on track for completion.
Ya, jadwalnya sesuai untuk penyelesaian tepat waktu.
I'm excited to see how this will go on. I'm excited to see how this will go on.
Saya sangat bersemangat untuk melihat bagaimana ini akan berlanjut.
Me too. Let's go on and make it successful. Me too. Let's go on and make it successful.
Saya juga. Mari kita lanjutkan dan buat ini sukses.
I signed the contract with one stipulation. I signed the contract with one stipulation.
Aku menandatangani kontrak dengan satu ketentuan.
What condition did you include in it? What condition did you include in it?
Ketentuan apa yang kamu masukkan di dalamnya?
I requested flexible working hours every week. I requested flexible working hours every week.
Aku meminta jam kerja fleksibel setiap minggu.
That's smart. Work-life balance is important. That's smart. Work-life balance is important.
Itu cerdas. Keseimbangan kerja dan hidup itu penting.
Yes, I need time for my family. Yes, I need time for my family.
Ya, aku butuh waktu untuk keluargaku.
Did they agree without any negotiation? Did they agree without any negotiation?
Apakah mereka setuju tanpa negosiasi?
They discussed it but finally accepted it. They discussed it but finally accepted it.
Mereka mendiskusikannya tetapi akhirnya menerimanya.
That's great. Now you can work comfortably. That's great. Now you can work comfortably.
Itu bagus. Sekarang kamu bisa bekerja dengan nyaman.
I'm happy, this job suits me well. I'm happy, this job suits me well.
Aku senang, pekerjaan ini sangat cocok untukku.
I hope everything goes smoothly for you. I hope everything goes smoothly for you.
Aku berharap semuanya berjalan lancar untukmu.
I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon. I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon.
Aku punya janji dengan dokter sore ini.
Are you feeling sick or just a checkup? Are you feeling sick or just a checkup?
Apakah kamu sakit atau hanya pemeriksaan?
Just a checkup, but I feel nervous. Just a checkup, but I feel nervous.
Hanya pemeriksaan, tapi aku merasa gugup.
That's normal. Doctors always ask many questions. That's normal. Doctors always ask many questions.
Itu normal. Dokter selalu bertanya banyak hal.
Yes, and I hope everything is fine. Yes, and I hope everything is fine.
Ya, dan aku berharap semuanya baik-baik saja.
Don't worry, you've been taking good care. Don't worry, you've been taking good care.
Jangan khawatir, kamu sudah menjaga diri dengan baik.
True, I try to live a healthy life. True, I try to live a healthy life.
Benar, aku berusaha menjalani hidup sehat.
That's great, staying healthy is really important. That's great, staying healthy is really important.
Itu bagus, tetap sehat itu sangat penting.
Thanks, I'll let you know the results. Thanks, I'll let you know the results.
Terima kasih, aku akan memberitahumu hasilnya.
Sure, I hope you get good news. Sure, I hope you get good news.
Tentu aku berharap kamu mendapat kabar baik.
I just got a promotion at work. I just got a promotion at work.
Aku baru saja mendapat promosi di pekerjaan.
That's amazing. Congratulations on your success. That's amazing. Congratulations on your success.
Itu luar biasa, selamat atas kesuksesanmu.
Thanks, I've worked really hard for this. Thanks, I've worked really hard for this.
Terima kasih, aku telah bekerja sangat keras untuk ini.
What's your new position in the company? What's your new position in the company?
Apa posisi barumu di perusahaan?
I'm now the senior manager of sales. I'm now the senior manager of sales.
Aku sekarang menjadi manajer senior penjualan.
That's a huge responsibility, but you deserve it. That's a huge responsibility, but you deserve it.
Itu tanggung jawab besar, tapi kamu pantas mendapatkannya.
Yes, I'll have more tasks to handle. Yes, I'll have more tasks to handle.
Ya, aku akan memiliki lebih banyak tugas.
I'm sure you'll do an excellent job. I'm sure you'll do an excellent job.
Aku yakin kamu akan melakukan pekerjaan dengan baik.
I appreciate that, I'll give my best. I appreciate that, I'll give my best.
Aku menghargai itu, aku akan berusaha semaksimal mungkin.
Let's celebrate this achievement sometime soon. Let's celebrate this achievement sometime soon.
Ayo rayakan pencapaian ini dalam waktu dekat.
I need your consent for this project. I need your consent for this project.
Aku butuh persetujuanmu untuk proyek ini.
What exactly do you need me to approve? What exactly do you need me to approve?
Apa sebenarnya yang perlu aku setujui?
I want to include your design ideas. I want to include your design ideas.
Aku ingin memasukkan ide desainmu.
That sounds great, I really appreciate that. That sounds great, I really appreciate that.
Itu terdengar bagus, aku sangat menghargainya.
So, do I have your full permission? So, do I have your full permission?
Jadi, apakah aku mendapat izin sepenuhnya?
Yes, you can use my ideas freely. Yes, you can use my ideas freely.
Ya, kamu bisa menggunakan ide-ideku dengan bebas.
Perfect. This will improve the final result. Perfect. This will improve the final result.
Sempurna, ini akan meningkatkan hasil akhirnya.
I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Aku tak sabar melihat bagaimana hasilnya.
We're looking for a sponsorship for the event. We're looking for a sponsorship for the event.
Kami mencari sponsor untuk acara ini.
Have you reached out to any companies yet? Have you reached out to any companies yet?
Apakah kamu sudah menghubungi perusahaan-perusahaan?
Yes, I've sent proposals to a few. Yes, I've sent proposals to a few.
Ya, aku sudah mengirimkan proposal ke beberapa.
What kind of sponsorship are you seeking? What kind of sponsorship are you seeking?
Sponsor seperti apa yang kamu cari?
We need financial support and product donations. We need financial support and product donations.
Kami membutuhkan dukungan finansial dan sumbangan produk.
That's a good approach, it should help. That's a good approach, it should help.
Itu pendekatan yang baik, itu seharusnya membantu.
I hope they'll see the value in supporting us. I hope they'll see the value in supporting us.
Aku berharap mereka melihat nilai dalam mendukung kami.
They'll likely respond soon if they're interested. They'll likely respond soon if they're interested.
Mereka kemungkinan akan segera merespons jika tertarik.
Fingers crossed, we really need their help. Fingers crossed, we really need their help.
Semoga berhasil, kami benar-benar butuh bantuan mereka.
I'm sure it will work out perfectly. I'm sure it will work out perfectly.
Aku yakin semuanya akan berjalan dengan baik.
I totally agree with your opinion on this. I totally agree with your opinion on this.
Aku sepenuhnya setuju dengan pendapatmu tentang ini.
I'm glad we're on the same page. I'm glad we're on the same page.
Senang kita sepaham.
It's important that we share similar views. It's important that we share similar views.
Penting agar kita memiliki pandangan yang sama.
Yes, it helps us work together more effectively. Yes, it helps us work together more effectively.
Ya, itu membantu kita bekerja sama lebih efektif.
Exactly, it makes communication so much easier. Exactly, it makes communication so much easier.
Tepat, itu membuat komunikasi jauh lebih mudah.
I believe it will lead to great results. I believe it will lead to great results.
Aku percaya itu akan menghasilkan hasil yang luar biasa.
I'm confident we can make this work. I'm confident we can make this work.
Aku yakin kita bisa membuat ini berhasil.
As long as we keep agreeing on the main points. As long as we keep agreeing on the main points.
Selama kita terus sepakat pada poin-poin utama.
Absolutely, teamwork is key to success. Absolutely, teamwork is key to success.
Tentu, kerja sama tim adalah kunci keberhasilan.
Let's continue collaborating like this. Let's continue collaborating like this.
Ayo terus berkolaborasi seperti ini.
I really like the tune of this song. I really like the tune of this song.
Aku sangat suka dengan melodinya lagu ini.
It's catchy, I can't stop humming it. It's catchy, I can't stop humming it.
Ini mudah diingat, aku tidak bisa berhenti.
Yes, the rhythm is so upbeat and fun. Yes, the rhythm is so upbeat and fun.
Ya, ritmenya sangat ceria dan menyenangkan.
What kind of music is this, exactly? What kind of music is this, exactly?
Ini jenis musik apa tepatnya?
It's pop with a bit of rock influence. It's pop with a bit of rock influence.
Ini pop dengan sedikit pengaruh rock.
That makes sense, it has a unique sound. That makes sense, it has a unique sound.
Itu masuk akal, lagunya memiliki suara yang unik.
I agree, it's different from other pop songs. I agree, it's different from other pop songs.
Aku setuju, ini berbeda dari lagu pop lainnya.
Maybe this tune will become a hit soon. Maybe this tune will become a hit soon.
Mungkin lagu ini akan menjadi hit segera.
I hope so, it deserves to be famous. I hope so, it deserves to be famous.
Aku berharap begitu. Lagu ini pantas terkenal.
Let's share it with our friends today. Let's share it with our friends today.
Ayo bagikan lagu ini dengan teman-teman kita hari ini.
The project must conform to the company standards. The project must conform to the company standards.
Proyek ini harus sesuai dengan standar perusahaan.
Are we clear about the guidelines we need to follow? Are we clear about the guidelines we need to follow?
Apakah kita sudah jelas tentang pedoman yang harus diikuti?
Yes, we've been given all the necessary instructions. Yes, we've been given all the necessary instructions.
Ya, kami sudah diberikan semua instruksi yang diperlukan.
That's good, we need to stick to them closely. That's good, we need to stick to them closely.
Itu bagus, kita harus mengikuti dengan cermat.
Absolutely, I want to make sure everything is right. Absolutely, I want to make sure everything is right.
Tentu, aku ingin memastikan semuanya benar.
It's important to conform, especially for quality. It's important to conform, especially for quality.
Penting untuk mematuhi, terutama untuk kualitas.
I agree, any mistakes can delay the process. I agree, any mistakes can delay the process.
Aku setuju, kesalahan bisa menunda proses.
Let's double-check everything before submitting it. Let's double-check everything before submitting it.
Mari kita periksa semuanya sebelum mengirimkannya.
Good idea, we don't want any surprises later. Good idea, we don't want any surprises later.
Ide yang bagus, kita tidak ingin ada kejutan nanti.
Yes, conformity will ensure smooth completion. Yes, conformity will ensure smooth completion.
Ya, kepatuhan akan memastikan penyelesaian yang lancar.
I've been trying to correspond with the manager. I've been trying to correspond with the manager.
Aku sudah berusaha untuk berkorespondensi dengan manajer.
Have you received any response from them? Have you received any response from them?
Apakah kamu sudah menerima balasan dari mereka?
Not yet, I'm still waiting for their email. Not yet, I'm still waiting for their email.
Belum, aku masih menunggu email mereka.
It can take time, especially with busy schedules. It can take time, especially with busy schedules.
Bisa memakan waktu, apalagi dengan jadwal yang padat.
True, I hope they'll get back to me soon. True, I hope they'll get back to me soon.
Benar, aku berharap mereka segera membalasku.
Maybe you could follow up with a call. Maybe you could follow up with a call.
Mungkin kamu bisa menindaklanjutinya dengan telepon.
That's a good idea, I'll do that today. That's a good idea, I'll do that today.
Itu ide bagus, aku akan melakukannya hari ini.
Hopefully, it'll help speed things up. Hopefully, it'll help speed things up.
Semoga itu membantu mempercepat prosesnya.
I'm sure they'll correspond once they see my message. I'm sure they'll correspond once they see my message.
Aku yakin mereka akan berkorespondensi setelah melihat pesanku.
Let me know if you need any help with it. Let me know if you need any help with it.
Beritahu aku jika kamu butuh bantuan dengan itu.
I am working on the restoration of an old chair. I am working on the restoration of an old chair.
Saya sedang mengerjakan restorasi kursi tua.
Why did you choose to restore that chair? Why did you choose to restore that chair?
Mengapa kamu memilih untuk merestorasi kursi itu?
It has a special memory from my childhood time. It has a special memory from my childhood time.
Ini memiliki kenangan istimewa dari masa kecil saya.
Do you think the restoration will be difficult? Do you think the restoration will be difficult?
Apakah menurutmu restorasinya akan sulit?
Yes, it needs a lot of work, but I like the challenge. Yes, it needs a lot of work, but I like the challenge.
Ya, ini butuh banyak usaha tapi saya suka tantangannya.
That is good. I am sure it will look great after. That is good. I am sure it will look great after.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin ini akan terlihat sangat bagus setelahnya.
I hope so. I want to keep it as a family memory. I hope so. I want to keep it as a family memory.
Saya harap begitu. Saya ingin menyimpannya sebagai kenangan keluarga.
Just take your time and do it carefully. Just take your time and do it carefully.
Tidak perlu tergesa-gesa dan lakukan dengan hati-hati.
Thank you, your advice makes me feel more ready. Thank you, your advice makes me feel more ready.
Terima kasih, sarannya membuat saya merasa lebih siap.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Sama-sama.
I have a small collection of old coins at home. I have a small collection of old coins at home.
Saya punya koleksi kecil koin lama di rumah.
How many coins do you have in your collection? How many coins do you have in your collection?
Berapa banyak koin yang kamu punya di koleksimu?
I think I have around 50 coins right now. I think I have around 50 coins right now.
Saya rasa saya punya sekitar 50 koin sekarang.
Do you plan to add more to your collection soon? Do you plan to add more to your collection soon?
Apakah kamu berencana menambah koleksimu segera?
Yes, I am looking for rare coins to buy next time. Yes, I am looking for rare coins to buy next time.
Ya, saya sedang mencari koin langka untuk dibeli lain kali.
That is interesting. I hope you find good ones. That is interesting. I hope you find good ones.
Itu menarik. Saya harap kamu menemukan yang bagus.
I hope so. My collection is very special to me. I hope so. My collection is very special to me.
Saya harap begitu. Koleksi saya sangat istimewa bagi saya.
Just be careful when you buy new coins. Just be careful when you buy new coins.
Hati-hati saja saat membeli koin baru.
Thank you. Your advice is really helpful for me. Thank you. Your advice is really helpful for me.
Terima kasih, sarannya sangat membantu saya.
You are welcome. I am happy to share my thoughts. You are welcome. I am happy to share my thoughts.
Sama-sama. Saya senang berbagi pemikiran.
I think sustenance is very important for life. I think sustenance is very important for life.
Saya pikir sumber daya kehidupan sangat penting untuk hidup.
What do you mean by sustenance exactly? What do you mean by sustenance exactly?
Apa yang sebenarnya kamu maksud dengan sumber daya kehidupan?
I mean food and water to keep us alive daily. I mean food and water to keep us alive daily.
Maksud saya makanan dan air untuk menjaga kita tetap hidup setiap hari.
Do you think we should save more sustenance? Do you think we should save more sustenance?
Apakah menurutmu kita harus menyimpan lebih banyak sumber daya kehidupan?
Yes, it is good to prepare for the future time. Yes, it is good to prepare for the future time.
Ya, itu bagus untuk mempersiapkan masa depan.
That makes sense. We must value our sustenance. That makes sense. We must value our sustenance.
Itu masuk akal. Kita harus menghargai sumber daya kehidupan kita.
I hope everyone understands this importance. I hope everyone understands this importance.
Saya harap semua orang memahami pentingnya ini.
I am sure they will if we share this idea. I am sure they will if we share this idea.
Saya yakin mereka akan paham jika kita berbagi gagasan ini.
Thank you. Your thoughts are very helpful to me. Thank you. Your thoughts are very helpful to me.
Terima kasih, pemikiranmu sangat membantu saya.
You are welcome. I am glad we talked about it. You are welcome. I am glad we talked about it.
Sama-sama, saya senang kita membicarakannya.
Do you believe in making fortune? Do you believe in making fortune?
Apakah kamu percaya pada keberuntungan?
I think hard work brings good fortune. I think hard work brings good fortune.
Saya pikir kerja keras membawa keberuntungan.
Is fortune only about having money? Is fortune only about having money?
Apakah keberuntungan hanya tentang punya uang?
Not really, it includes good luck too. Not really, it includes good luck too.
Tidak juga, itu termasuk keberuntungan juga.
Can we find fortune easily in life? Can we find fortune easily in life?
Apakah kita bisa menemukan keberuntungan dengan mudah?
It takes time and great effort here. It takes time and great effort here.
Butuh waktu dan usaha besar di sini.
What should we do for good fortune? What should we do for good fortune?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan agar mendapat keberuntungan?
Stay positive and seize every chance. Stay positive and seize every chance.
Tetap positif dan tangkap setiap kesempatan.
Do you feel lucky in your life? Do you feel lucky in your life?
Apakah kamu merasa beruntung dalam hidupmu?
Yes, I am grateful for my fortune. Yes, I am grateful for my fortune.
Ya, saya bersyukur atas keberuntungan saya.
I think I have very good luck this week. I think I have very good luck this week.
Saya pikir saya sangat beruntung minggu ini.
What happened to make you feel so lucky? What happened to make you feel so lucky?
Apa yang terjadi sampai kamu merasa begitu beruntung?
I won a small prize in a lucky draw contest. I won a small prize in a lucky draw contest.
Saya menang hadiah kecil di kontes undian berhadiah.
That is great. Do you believe in good luck now? That is great. Do you believe in good luck now?
Itu bagus. Apakah sekarang kamu percaya pada keberuntungan?
Yes, I feel like luck is on my side right now. Yes, I feel like luck is on my side right now.
Ya, saya merasa keberuntungan ada di pihak saya sekarang.
Maybe your luck will bring more good things. Maybe your luck will bring more good things.
Mungkin keberuntunganmu akan membawa lebih banyak hal baik?
I hope so. I am really enjoying this feeling now. I hope so. I am really enjoying this feeling now.
Saya harap begitu. Saya benar-benar menikmati perasaan ini sekarang.
Just keep doing your best and stay positive. Just keep doing your best and stay positive.
Tetap lakukan yang terbaik dan tetap positif.
Thank you, your words make me feel even better. Thank you, your words make me feel even better.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu membuat saya merasa lebih baik lagi.
You are welcome. I am happy to see you smile. You are welcome. I am happy to see you smile.
Sama-sama, saya senang melihatmu tersenyum.
Do you believe in destiny? Do you believe in destiny?
Apakah kamu percaya pada takdir?
I think it guides our lives somehow. I think it guides our lives somehow.
Saya pikir itu membimbing hidup kita.
Why do you think about it? Why do you think about it?
Kenapa kamu memikirkannya?
Sometimes life feels so planned out. Sometimes life feels so planned out.
Kadang hidup terasa sangat direncanakan.
Is destiny always good for us? Is destiny always good for us?
Apakah takdir selalu baik untuk kita?
Not always, but it shapes us well. Not always, but it shapes us well.
Tidak selalu, tapi itu membentuk kita.
Can we change our destiny? Can we change our destiny?
Apakah kita bisa mengubah takdir?
I feel we have some control over it. I feel we have some control over it.
Saya merasa kita punya kendali atasnya.
What should we do about it? What should we do about it?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan tentang itu?
Just trust and follow your path. Just trust and follow your path.
Cukup percaya dan ikuti jalanmu.